Hey, good morning, real estate agents. Sell more homes using the O-Zone. My name is Voltaire Lepe, CEO of Lepe Tendwell Properties, top 1% agent in the county. Today I want to talk to you about what's on the front page of Realtor magazine. Okay, we all get this in the mail. And it says the O-Zone, a new tax incentive for investors could reshape communities. So you have to learn about this because this is a new big wave. This is what investors are looking for. They're looking to buy real estate, have it appreciate, and then all that appreciation be tax-free, meaning they don't have to pay any money on that tax. So the way it works is, well, you're gonna learn. If you come to our workshop, it's gonna be held here on a Wednesday, April 3rd, 2 p.m. It's completely free. You come, you learn about this, you're gonna learn why it's so important for investors, why it's so important for your clients and your investors. And then that way you can show them about them, teach them about them, and then be able to sell them property in the opportunity zone here in San Diego. And then that way they could invest their money, and then whenever they exit the property, they hire you to sell their property. It's gonna be tax-free to them. So come and learn, very important stuff. See you here.